Hi, this is Gary Kay. We're here at the ISE 2019 show in the Christie Digital booth. I'm here with Ted Romanowitz, Senior Product Manager for, by the way, brand new product, the MicroTiles LED.
That's right, Gary. You know, we really appreciate your sentiments about MicroTiles, and everybody loved that product. It was such an amazing change in the industry, and we think the MicroTiles LED is every bit as revolutionary.
Well, let's take a look at it. This is the first debut of the product here. This is a wall built out of how many tiles, and how did this get built?
Well, this is a 16 by 3 array. It shows a 3-degree convex and concave curve all in one display, completely seamless.
Okay, so 16 across by 3 high, and the tiles themselves are actually vertically oriented, right? So they're like 10 high by 9 wide, or 8 wide by 9 high, or something?
Yeah, so each tile has 3 module boards. The module boards are very small in size, 270 millimeters high, 240 wide. So that allows you to do amazing architectural things, 3-dimensional shapes, like the legacy that the MicroTiles brings in.
Okay, so we're going to kind of break this down. What is this thing right here? What is this box down at the bottom? It looks like a heat sink.
Well, it is partially. That is like the MCU from the MicroTiles. Yes. It's a central processing. It handles 8 tiles. That's called the Octroller.
So instead of controller, Octroller 8.
Exactly. So that brings in video signal via fiber optic cable. So you can locate your LED controller up to 10 kilometers away. This supplies up to 8 tiles with this. Each one has a single power over Ethernet cable that brings in remote power up to 100 meters away. The video signal from up to 10 kilometers away.
So hold on. So 10 kilometers away. What if I'm 11 kilometers away? What do I do?
I'm sure there is a solution.
So only 10 kilometers?
6
okay.
miles,
So hold on. We're going to come around here to the side. So this is a convex and concave display. Come over here to the side, and you'll notice that the structure is almost like chip on board kind of structure, where the LED is attached to the actual PC board. So this is chip on board technology basically, or is this something? Are the electronics separate?
It's a new tile format, and so this is SMD LED, and that allows for a lot more serviceability. The quick mount system is included in it. It allows for 20 millimeters of adjustability into it, so you can get perfect planarity with the quick mount system. The tiles themselves are built to such perfect alignment. There's no X and Y or Z adjustment once you get the planarity established with the quick mount system that's included.
All right, let's break this down. I want you to pull one apart here. They've got a little demo over here. We can pull this actually apart. And I don't want to break it, but can you take care of this for me and tell me what to do?
Sure,
so come on over here. I want the camera person to see this.
Perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to magnetically quickly remove the module board. So this is the module board. There's 3 of them per tile, so I'll quickly do that. And then this is the chassis, the tile chassis. So that's also a magnetic connection. Again, a single PoE connection from the Octroller. So to do the installation, again, once you've had perfect planarity established with the quick mount system that's included, 1 connection, video and power, click and go tile system. The module boards are calibrated to such uniformity that you can place them anywhere on the wall. They auto match. So as you put in spares, the spares will automatically match the color settings of the wall and apply the anti-aging adjustments.
So what you mean by that is, let's say you've got a wall that's been around for 2 years and you're going to put in a new module. It's going to match the colorimetry and the uniformity of the current system.
Absolutely, because naturally LEDs do degrade in color and brightness over time. So this applies all of those settings into every module board, so no adjustment needs to be done.
Okay, so this module, you can actually see the PC board on the back of this module here, which is also including the electronics driving it and the LEDs mounted to the PC board.
Absolutely. There's driver chips and the whole assembly. And this is, again, to such rigorous alignment that, once you get it established, then you can simply attach it. And there you go. No Z adjustment, no X or Y adjustment. This saves a huge amount of time in terms of installation. So you will be able to install a wall with MicroTiles LED in about this half the time of a typical LED solution.
And there's two pixel pitches for it right now, 1.25 and 1.5.
That's correct, Gary.
And I know more are coming. I've been told already. I'm not allowed to tell what pixel pitches are coming, and potentially smaller and larger. Now tell me about the serviceability of this from the standpoint of the integrator. So the integrator, how does that get handled? I know the customer side, you don't want to worry about it at all, but the integrator is ultimately going to come there and do what, and what kind of warranty is on the system, because the one thing that was unique about MicroTiles is it was a quick change and the warranty covered everything.
Right. This system is so simple. It no longer means that you have to call someone, right? You could have an IT manager if there's something happens, someone damages physically a module board by banging into it. Anybody, an IT manager could come out and replace that very quickly and easily. So that saves a lot of time and delays. The whole system, the software architecture is completely unique. It's an HTML5 browser-based system, so you can manage this from any laptop, desktop, a smartphone, even a tablet, from anywhere that you can get a network connection to the wall. It has all kinds of SNMP and different consoling that you can do with it, so you can manage the wall and do tweaks. You can even push software from anywhere in the world to this wall.
Does this system have? I want you to the videographer to turn around and kind of walk around the back of that wall so people get an idea about what's around the back of it. But does this system also have a content management system with it as well, from a digital signage perspective, or how does that work?
Absolutely. So this is the industry's first video wall with SDVOE integrated, Gary. So what that means is almost limitless expandability with our Christie Terra system, up to unlimited sources, up to 32 windows in a 4K wall. And then if you add, we're showing today, prototype 10-bit Pandora's box media server. That capability is amazing. You can take it even a level up with the Christie X80, Spider X80 processor. So really from a single source, you can get all the capability in terms of media server and processing from a single source. For the integrator partner, they love this. They no longer have to bring in multiple parts and pieces from all these different vendors and do all the integration in their lab, like make sure it all works and is integrated. They can buy it all from Christie, all completely pre-validated.
So out with the old, in with the new. Old MicroTiles 1.0 has been retired this month. Absolutely. And MicroTiles 2.0 in the form of LED makes its debut here at ISE 2019, a 1.25 millimeter and a 1.5 millimeter. When is all this shipping?
It'll be shipping this spring. We're really looking forward to doing our first installations. We actually have our first order.
Excellent. Congratulations.
Another scoop for you.
Yeah, there you go. Congratulations. And of course, we're going to go around and shoot videos on all the products here at the Christie booth at ISE. All you have to do is go to ravepubs.com/ISE 2019. Type in Christie in the video search window. Ted, thank you very much for the tour and the details. And congratulations on reviving the MicroTiles. We have a lot more to shoot here at ISE 2019. Stay tuned to all of our coverage at ravepubs.com.